After a summer of drought, heat waves and forest fires, violent storms are whipping France and have flooded Paris subway stations and snarled traffic. Winds of more than 100 km/h were recorded at the top of the Eiffel Tower during a flash flood Tuesday, and similar winds were forecast Wednesday in the southeast. Hail hammered Paris and other regions in Tuesday's sudden storm. Rainwater gushed down metro station stairwells and onto platforms, and cars sloshed along embankments where the Seine River broke its banks. In southern France, thunderstorms overnight and Wednesday flooded the old port of Marseille and the city's main courthouse and forced the closure of nearby beaches. As scattered storms swept across Belgium on Wednesday, one flooded parts of the historic town of Ghent following weeks of unrelenting drought. London and other parts of southern England were lashed with torrential rain and thunderstorms after one of the driest summers on record, which gave the country its first ever 40°C temperature last month. There was widespread flash flooding as the downpours fell on parched ground,